Hello, I'm Kate Stichina on InstaForex TV with the fresh Forex news. In the nearest future, the euro will not be supported. The events expected later this week probably will show that the hopes for the economic recovery in the USA are growing, whereas the prospects of the eurozone will only worsen, even if the European Union comes to the rescue of Greece. If to add the significant strengthening of world investors' unwillingness to risk and further reduction of the foreign assets, which are owned by the unit investment funds of the USA, then the decrease of the euro to the rate of 1.30 US dollar is seems as possible. The threat of the default from the part of Greece is a problem, but even if this country intends the rescue from the part of the European Union, its economy will anyway enter the long-lasting recession. Since the same slowing down is expected in other peripheral countries, which undergo debt problems, the European Central Bank will not have another choice except to keep the interest rates at a low level for a longer period. In this way, in spite of the fact that the favorable Eurozone Purchasing Managers Index, which was published on Monday, supported the euro, its growth will be limited, because this data will hardly approximate the term of the ECB interest rate advance. For comparison, we note that in the USA, despite the recent political and economical complications, there are obvious signs of the situation's reversal. The US data on the GDP for the fourth quarter were published last Friday, and the Producer Price Index of the Institute for Supply Management, which demonstrated the increase higher than the forecast, was issued on Monday. It is expected that next there will be a strong data on the non-farm payrolls. Since the world investors' propensity to the risk is declining, the euro has even less chances for the significant recovery at this stage. The Greek problems, fears concerning the tightening of the monetary policy in China, and disappointing financial reports of the US companies promote the strengthening of investors' unwillingness to risk. The weakening of investors' risk appetite also induced the US unit investment funds to invest more assets in the USA. With that, the recent December data issued by the UBS demonstrate the reduction of foreign assets part after a high achieved in last October. Such situation is observed the second month in a row. It was Forex News provided to you by InstaForex News team. Goodbye.